Hi everyone! In our last video we looked at how to start our Cornell notes, and we looked at how to create a template and what to write at the top of our Cornell notes. The title, the source, the date, and your name. Today what we're going to look at is the right-hand column of the Cornell notes. If you take a look here, you'll see that we're going to start taking our notes on the right-hand side of the paper. First, take notes on this right side. What are we going to write here? Details, meaningful facts, ideas, definitions, dates. And be selective. Only write things with real value. So, the focus here is on content. Write information that is important from the talk. The focus is not form. So, when you're taking notes, don't worry about the grammar, capitalization, punctuation, or spelling. What you want to focus on is the content, the ideas, and the information. How do we take Cornell notes? Be brief. So some ways of being brief are abbreviating. If the talk is about polyglots and that word is used over and over again, instead of writing polyglot many times, maybe you could use the abbreviation PL or PLG. Something that you will remember. You can also use symbols to express ideas, and you can use any symbol that you will remember. You can also be brief by avoiding the use of small words like articles, the, a, and an. You can also avoid using prepositions if they're not necessary for your own comprehension. So you can avoid using words like in, with, on, if you don't need them to understand. In this way, you can be brief and you could focus on the content that you're listening to. Another thing you could do when you take Cornell notes is, as you notice the speaker changes topics, maybe the speaker at first talks about where to meet polyglots, and then later the speaker talks about some strategies that polyglots use. As the speaker changes topics, skip a line. That way, if you realize that there's more information you want to add in that section, you have the space to do it. Another thing that you could do when you're taking Cornell notes while listening to a lecture is, if there is a section that you don't understand, a section that you feel a little bit confused by, you can leave a space there as well. That way it gives you some room for you to write notes in later after you talk to a classmate or after you talk to your professor. And that's how you complete the right-hand column for Cornell notes. In the next video, we'll look at how to complete the left side. See you then. Bye.